Mix cooking oil with dish soap, and you'll be surprised by the result. Ever since I learned this, I've never spent money on it again. And for this amazing tip, let's start by adding 1 tablespoon of dish soap to a container. Here I'm using this green dish soap, but you can use whatever you have at home. Next, let's add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. That's right, the same oil we use to prepare food. Then just mix everything really well. And if you need to make a larger amount, just increase the portion of ingredients. Always respecting the 2-to-1 ratio. In other words, if you use 3 tablespoons of dish soap, add 6 of oil. 5 tablespoons of dish soap, 10 of oil. And so on. This ratio is ideal to maintain the effectiveness of our solution. After mixing well, it's time to apply. And what is it for? I'll show you in a second. With a sponge or cloth, dampen it in the mixture. What we just made is a great plastic restorer. That's right. Apply it to the plastic parts you want to restore and give a fresh new look, especially on your car or motorcycle. This powerful solution is excellent for bringing back that dry and dull look plastic tends to get over time. And with it, you'll see the natural shine and original color return. To demonstrate, here I'm applying it only to half of this car part. Notice how dry and whitish it looks, giving it an old and worn appearance. After applying, just remove the excess with a cloth. And little by little, you'll notice the incredible difference. See how the surface looks more vibrant and beautiful, as if the plastic were new. It's like giving your car a fresh look. And best of all, this trick is extremely cheap and economical, since it uses only 2 ingredients we all have at home. And its use isn't limited to just cars or motorcycles. You can apply it to any plastic part you want to restore. Check it out. On larger parts, the difference is even more noticeable. And don't think it wears off quickly or washes away with just any rain, because its durability lasts for several weeks, protecting and keeping the plastic looking great. All of this without spending on expensive products or paying for restoration. That's why it's really worth doing at home and enjoying all these benefits. This was today's video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.